I am Bijal Gansara, Assistant Professor from Electrical Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, we will discuss critical disruptive voltage, visual critical voltage and corona power loss from chapter number 7, Corona. Now, what is critical disruptive voltage? The minimum potential required to start ionization of air at the conductor surface is called critical disruptive voltage. It is expressed in kV, RMS or peak to the neutral. Corona disruptive voltage, also defined as minimum phase to neutral voltage at which corona occurs and holds good for fair weather condition. Its value is considerably reduced during the bad weather condition such as a fog, rain and snowstorm. It is denoted by V suffix D. Consider a single phase transmission line where radius of each conductor and distance of between the conductors such as D is very larger than R. Means distance is very much greater than the radius of the conductor. Now, here small r is a radius of a conductor, small d is a spacing between the conductor, small q is a charge per unit length on one conductor, minus q is a charge per unit length on another conductor. V is equal to operating voltage, small b is equal to atmospheric pressure, small t is equal to air temperature, m0 is a conductor surface irregularity factor, g0 is dielectric strength of the air, delta is a air density factor and it is given by equation 3.92b upon 273 plus T, where B is a atmospheric pressure and T is a temperature and Pc is a corona loss. Now, we have to evaluate the equation for the critical disruptive voltage. So, as it is a single phase transmission line, for operating voltage V, the potential of conductor A with respect to neutral plane is V by 2 and B is V by 2. Voltage V is divided into two parts and positive charge has a positive voltage, negative charge has a negative voltage. Clear? Now, field due to A conductor is a repulsive and that due to B is a attractive. Thus, the electric field intensity P, intensity at a P due to the both charges is additive. At the P point, electric field due to the both the charges is additive. So, we add them both electric field. Now, electric field due to A and B can be written as this Ex, electric field and intensity at the X distance at P point is denoted as Ex. Now, Ex is equal to Qa upon 2 pi x epsilon 0 epsilon r plus Qb 2 pi d minus s epsilon 0 epsilon r. Here A is a x distance away from B, total distance is d, so B is a d minus x distance away by P. So, here we take d minus x. Now, take common q upon 2 pi epsilon 0 epsilon r in bracket d upon x into d minus x. Now, potential difference between the conductor is nothing but integration of electric field intensity at that particular area. So, we can write a potential difference equation V is equal to integration of R to d minus R Ex dx. Here we have to find potential difference at surface, so we can write R to d minus R. So write value of the Ex and then take integration, and we get the value Q upon pi epsilon 0 epsilon r ln d minus r upon r. Now as compared to d and r, the spacing between them is very large compared to the radius. So d minus r is approximately equal to becomes a d. So the equation became V is equal to Q upon pi epsilon 0 epsilon r ln d upon r. Now for a given transmission system, the voltage gradient is nothing but changing of voltage with respect to the distance. So voltage gradient is denoted as the G is equal to Ex is equal to Q upon 2 pi epsilon 0 epsilon r under bracket d x into d minus x. Now simplify this term and then put the value of Ex from value of Q from this Q. By taking a Q as an equation, we can write Q is equal to V into pi epsilon 0 epsilon r upon ln d by r. So in this equation, put the value of Q from the above previous equation, and then we get the value of G is VA into d upon x d minus x ln d by r. Above equation represent that gradient increases as a x decreases, and it is a maximum at the x is equal to r. For example, at the surface of the conductor, at the surface of a conductor x is equal to r, so it is a maximum at that point. So G maximum is equal to VA into d and put x is equal to r. So r bracket d minus r ln d by r. So VA into d minus r is approximately equal to d. So we can write r into d ln d by r. D cancel out. So G maximum equation becomes VA upon r ln d by r. From this equation, value of this voltage VA is equal to G maximum r ln d by r. This is the final equation. Hence, critical disruptive voltage is a minimum phase to neutral voltage at which corona is occur. Example, voltage correspond to the gradient at the surface equal to the breakdown strength of the air. So voltage correspond to the gradient at the surface is equal to the breakdown strength of the air. The dielectric strength is normally is equal to taken at the 25 degree centigrade and 76 centimeter of Hg barometric pressure. Take a dielectric strength equal to 30 kV per centimeter. Also, an assumption made that conductor used for the derivation of a critical disruptive voltage is a solid and the surface is a smooth. But for the higher voltages, ACSR conductor are used which has a more irregular surface than the solid conductors. This irregular surface is a more prone to deposition of a dust and dirt that reduce the breakdown strength of the conductor. So corona occurs at the lower voltages. Hence, any other temperature, pressure and surface critical voltage equation become Vd is equal to M0 G0 del R ln d by r, where M0 is a irregularity of the surface, G0 is a voltage gradient, del is a air density factor, r is a radius of conductor, d is a spacing between the conductor. The value of M0 is depend on the surface condition of the conductor. For the polished conductor, its values varies from 1 to 0.93, and for stranded conductor, it is varies from 0.87 to 0.8. When a voltage applied correspond to the critical disruptive voltage, corona starts, but it is not visible because the charged ion in the air must receive some finite energy to cause further ionized by the collision. Now next topic is visual critical voltage. The minimum phase to neutral voltage at which corona glow appears along the entire length of the line conductor is known as a critical visual voltage, and it is denoted by V suffix V. It is important to note that at the disruptive voltage, corona forms a faint glow may or may not be appear. However, when a voltage rises above the critical visual value, a flash over occurs all along the length of the conductors. Naturally, the value of a visual critical voltage is more than of a disruptive voltage. Okay. It has been observed that visual corona at the visual voltage will occur when the breakdown voltage is attained at the distance of R into 1 plus 0.3 upon under root rho by R from the axis instead of R. In other words, the visual voltage is 1 plus 0.3 upon under root del R times disruptive voltage. In a parallel conductor, corona glow does not begin at the disruptive voltage but at a higher visual critical voltage. For radial feeder, it must reach a gradient GV at the surface of the conductor to cause a gradient G0, a finite distance away from the surface of the conductor. The distance between the GV and G0 is called as an energy distance. For a two parallel conductor, this distance is equal to R plus 0.301 under root R, and for coaxial conductor it is R plus 0.308 under root R. It is clear that GV is not constant as a G0, but it is a function of size of a conductor for a two parallel conductor. So the equation of GV is equal to G0 delta 1 plus 0.3 under root del into R. Hence the critical visual disruptive voltage becomes VV is equal to GV into R into ln d by R, and put the value of GV from the above equation. So equation becomes G0 del R 1 plus 0.3 upon under root del R into ln d by R. When irregularity factor of a conductor surface is taken into account, so write VV is equal to MV G0 rho R 1 plus 0.3 under root del R ln d by R. For a regular conductor surface, the corona does not start simultaneously on the whole surface, but it takes place at different points of conductor which are pointed. This is known as a local corona. Now next topic is corona power loss. The corona causes power loss in a form of heat, light, sound and a chemical reaction. When a surface potential difference at the line conductor exceeds the critical breakdown stress, corona appears and energy is dissipated in the form of light and heat. This is known as a corona power loss. This power loss is affected by the atmospheric and a line condition too. Scientist Pick has conducted several experiments and suggested a formula to determine a corona power loss. Okay. The ion produced by an electrical field result in a space charge that move round the conductor. The energy required for charges to remain in a motion is derived from a supply system. The space surrounding the conductor is lossy. In order to maintain the flow of energy over the conductor in the field where this additional energy is absent. Hence, this energy loss is fed by a supply system. This additional power called a corona loss. Peak has identified a mathematics for the loss of power due to the corona under fair weather condition, and this equation is PC is equal to power loss due to corona is equal to 244 upon delta F plus 25 under root R by D V minus Vd square into 10 raised to minus 5, and its unit is kilowatt per kilometer per phase. Under the stormy condition, corona loss is obtained by taking a ED as a 0.8 times its value under the fair weather condition. Here V is equal to voltage per phase in kilowatt, Vd is a disruptive critical voltage, F is a supply frequency. Limitations of Peak's formula is frequency should be 25 to 120 Hz in between. Range of frequency should be 25 to 120. Conductor radius should be more than 0.25 meter. The ratio of VE by ED or V by VD is not more than 1 by 1.8, and application to the fair weather condition only. When the ratio of V and VD is less than 1.8, Peterson has identified the mathematics formula that holds well for the corona power loss, and equation is 21 into 10 raised to minus 6 F E square upon into K ln D by R square, and its unit is also kilowatt per kilometer per phase, and this is a table for the taking a value of K for a different value of V by Vd ratio. In a transmission line design, conductor is selected in such a way that corona loss per kilometer should be within the limit of 0.6 kilowatt per kilometer under the fair weather condition, and so power loss due to corona is also depend on the factor K for the Peterson formula. Okay, thank you.